Let's start, brother. Hi guys, today we unboxing iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium 1 TB. Let's start, brother. Have fun. Open lah.
Bro, we are iPhone.
Here. Just remove this one. Yeah, like this. You see? Yeah, okay. Now slow. Easy.
You know, go from here, easy.
Yeah, he don't know what to open. My friend. Yeah. Okay, remove the paper.
Bro, no need for video.
No need.
Are buying Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. I get money from YouTube.
Okay, from YouTube.
Yeah, I have channel. Yeah, I will post. I will. You send already?
No.
Okay, take.
Type C.
Yeah, Type C to Type C.
Original. Chess.
Where my coffee? I say you give me half coffee. You eat, drink or no problem. I order. It's okay. Doesn't matter. What the password? Why you forget, ne?
Okay, bro.
No problem.
Why you forget, ne? Huh?
And then you just tell like this, okay?
Anne, see her. Anne, why you forget?
I forget, sir. I'm very sorry.
It's okay, sir. I'm just kidding only. You know, Navi.
I'm not now. Don't worry, you don't like drink coffee, you like kawa.
वो मेरा संभाल मुकिया है यार तू मैसेज नहीं सुनिया ना मेरा या black tea I like black tea what same password put here brother same password put here
Okay, which passport I put?
same this phone password
Okay.
yeah
I thought the phone was,
same this phone password okay now you give me
Oh, after they go hotel 2 days now, cover go phone, yeah. Relax,
I got made you go hotel.
the tea nice or no tea nice or no
For 1, 2.
lucky the tea nice or no
Very nice.
very nice I think you didn't drink this
Very nice, but too much sugar.
too much sugar why not too much sugar 1 minute I take picture Give me.
I don't know, I want.
Okay, thank you.
Young child, now bring chair. One more chair.
What the password?
Okay.
You just tell me.
1, 1, 4, 4, 2, 2.
Okay.
Hope my phone message, everything.
Everything.
My WhatsApp message.
Everything.
I'm making the phone now.
Everything come. Don't worry. Everything come.
My blood.
My blood or blur?
Next week, now I need one. Next week, what?
Like I said, by meeting tomorrow.
Okay, I'll be out tomorrow.
I